Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows update. This error code showing this problem. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Get click to the search bar. Search the Windows update settings. See the system. See the troubleshoot. Click to the other troubleshoot. Click to the Windows update. Click to run. Then wait for the few minutes. This is the take the Windows update issues only. Okay. This is a where any other issue showing to you we can do the second steps. Okay. Then second step for get type the cmd, then get open to you will see that this command you will press the control plus C to I will provide this command for the this link video instruction. You will copy to click to the search bar and see the command then right click to run. Click here to you will press the control plus V to like to enter this operation for successful. Okay. Like to close to connect to the third step for change the Windows update in services. Okay. Get click to the search bar, search the services. Get click to open. Scroll down for see the Windows update. Then right click to properties. This is the startup type for if we change the automatic services status bar. Get click to the running. You click to update, click to OK. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon. You will restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved. After get open to search the Windows update settings. Click to the recent update to this problem is already solved. Just click to download the Windows update this file. Okay. Then anyone doubt open the comment and thank you for watching.